Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce Divine. Today we are going to learn about Z-test. So it is a statistical test that can be determined whether two population is statistically different from each other. Two population which are statistically different from each other. So it is based on a normal distribution, can be used to compare mean of a sample to a population or compare one mean to the hypothesized value, and it is used to test an alternative hypothesis, that is H1, against the null hypothesis, that is H0. So for example, a teacher might use that test to check the mean score of a student. Mean score of a student which is greater than 82, given sample of 81 students with a mean score of 90. So it is tested when the variance is known, larger than 30 or more than 30. So here what they are telling is it is tested when the variance is already given in the question and the sample size should be large. How much large means the more than 30. So it is comparison of means of two independent groups of sample. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೂ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Here it is comparison of two independent group of samples and taken from one population with the known variance. Variance ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So here we have a formula of Z-test, that is x bar minus mu 0 divided by standard deviation divided by number of observation, that is square of number of observation. Once again I go through. Z is equal to x bar minus mu 0 divided by standard deviation divided by whole to the square of number of observation. So why the large sample has been taken? So because we have to try to judge the validity of null hypothesis. So here I already told the alternative hypothesis is tested against null hypothesis. So that's why here the large sample has been taken. So here what they are saying is our sample is our window into the population. Large sample size, the bigger window, that the bigger window in the sense the viewpoint may get a bigger version. So that's why we are taken into large population when we use this Z-test. So this Z-test is used when the samples are drawn at random. So this Z-test happens when the samples are drawn in random, when the samples are taken from the population are independent. Very important, when the samples are taken from the population are independent, and also when the standard deviation was given or known, when the observation is larger than 30. So the observation should be more than 30, that is the sample size that should be more than 30. In further classes we are going to learn about the problems on Z-test. Thank you. Have a nice day.